Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Here I am with another game idea, this time for our book Me Haere, which is about vehicles and colours. This is a really easy one to make the most of because you can make something like these, which is from pictures from the book, which you can photocopy. And the children, so what I've done is I've put them on these sticks. Here's 3 examples. And the children can have turns being these vehicles and going round and round. So how I did it the other day was I got the first person, which was the waka kakariki, to hold this, and they go round and round, and then the next one joins them, the pahi kōwhai, going round and round, and by the time you've got through to the end of the song, you've got everyone going round and round. So it's a really fun one, and the children will really enjoy it, and the more that you do that kind of thing, the easier it is to learn the phrases and the sentences, in this case the colours. Also, just before I finish, did you know that we also have this book in Samoan? So tātou o is the equivalent of Me Haere in Samoan. The picture is the same. Beautiful Samoan song. Ka kite.